Noah's having a little breakdown. What's going on? Well, first he got bit by a spider. So his neck, his eye, his hands are all covered in spider bites. It's nasty. And then Noah's he's very detailed. He's a very hard worker. He likes to get things done and get them done right. Is that correct, mon chéri?
That is definitely correct.
And we've had some issues with our workers here. The masons in particular. It's just about detail. I have to say the only...
One detail that is important to me is that you show up with tools to actually do the work. He starts asking me, can I use your tape measure? Can I use your drill? Can I can do the job myself if you need my tools. Ridiculous. And then burned out my tool. My new grinder burned it up.
Stressful. Where's Victor when you need him?
Yeah.
Victor, if
Take your deep survival book.
I know, this is what we need right now. This is the book we all need to read. If Victor could do our whole house, I would hire him to do our whole house.
All right, well, they're working on the angle of the column right now, and I don't have a lot of faith in this action, but let's hope it works out. We need to get that as close as possible so that the beam can go on top up there. Looks good. Did some work last night. I started painting the ceiling again. I'm obsessed.
But this one is a lighter coat. Okay, it's my first time. I'm closing my eyes. I'm gonna go see. Wow, I love it. So it's a lot lighter. Now you only did this part, not over here, right?
Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Great. So you see the darker there and lighter.
This might be too light though, the beam, huh?
Oh, it is too white. It's too white. I love it. Good job.
Right.
Today's project, take the top off of this pergola because we want to replace it with what? Chicken wire?
Chicken wire.
There's some chicken wire up there because we're going to have the plants crawl up. And this right here, what is this, like bamboo?
Yeah. Well, it's wood. All right, so before the greenery grows too strong, I'm taking off this old netting bamboo stuff. It's falling apart. I'm going to replace it with chicken wire, and then the green will just grow inside the chicken wire. I'll never have to take off the wood or the bamboo again, and it'll cover this entire thing with natural instead of fake. So now I've got to pull out these vines and not destroy them to take this off. I waited a little too long, but I didn't wait till the summer, so at least I got that going for me, which is nice. You're making dreams happen.
This pergola is going to look nice. Right now we have blazing sun shooting through it, But once we have that rose bush and the jasmine on top, it's going to look beautiful.
All right, new pergola cover coming up. All right, let's go up there and do it. All right, I cleared it off the best I could. Now I'm gonna put the wire on top. We'll see how that turns out.
Working hard on this chicken wire.
Yeah.
You're almost done.
No, part's coming.
We need to take that lamp off too.
No. Well, the lamp will come off, but we'll have a light there.
Right.
Jenny doesn't want to keep all the original stuff.
What's original stuff?
This is a ridge.
It's ugly, a ridge.
It is ugly, but it's still a ridge. All right, where are we, Jenny?
Car show.
Car show and where?
We are in a little village of Oaks.
And we're about to go look at some beautiful cars. Let's go check them out. Oh, I see motorcycles. Love motorcycles. Steven, there's a vet for you, buddy. Look at the Cobra.
The best thing about this car show is that one of the classic cars is a regular U.S. car with the sheriff sign on it from Florida.
Let me zoom into that. That's at the classic car show. Oh, this is nice. Well, the glycine is starting to pop. You can see the beautiful purple colors. So it's turning into a real beautiful garden down here. Really nice. Really nice.
And the smells, the colors, right in time for Easter. Look at this, it's so beautiful. This makes it all worth it.
Good. Good. Yeah, we're hitting a stressful point in our life right now with this work, but we'll get through it.
Well, you know what? Like Noah says, first you have a worker who doesn't show up with tools, and then I'm trying to order my kitchen countertop for 2 months.
They send you 8 pictures of the same piece of stone and say they're all different.
Yeah, and it keeps and they say to me, "Oh yeah, I messed up. You messed up for 2 months in a row."
All right, things are progressing nicely. I got this done. It's good enough for now. It's just going to grow inside of there and just create a nice little ball effect. It's hard to make a perfect ball with chicken wire. Go back and see how the electricians are doing back there. I hear them. Oh la la. We're fighting like cats and dogs. We're gonna make it through. We're gonna make it.
Voilà. Ou sauf si je vois